Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. We are going to continue from where we stopped in the previous video. So we are going to start from question number 6. We are considering paper 2 BECE 2024. So let's pick the question. Question number 6. It says factorize factorize 25x squared minus y squared. And the options given are A 5 into x plus y, 2x plus y. B, we have 2 into 5x plus y into x minus y. Then C, we have 3x plus y into 5x minus y. And option D, we have 5x minus y and 5x plus y. And then option E, we have x plus y into x minus y. Okay, so we are asked to factorize 25x squared minus y squared. Now, when you arrange this, you can put it in this form: 5x raised power of 2 minus y squared. So this is what we call difference of two squared, which can also be written as 5x minus y into 5x plus y. So this is the answer when you factorize. So let's check. You see, as you can see, option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. So we go to the next question. Question number 27. Sorry, not question number 7, and that is factorize x squared plus 4x minus 12. And the options are x plus 2, x plus 6. B, x plus 2, x plus 4. C, we have 3x plus y, 5x minus y. C, we have, okay, D now, we have 5x minus y and 5x plus y. And then the last option, we have x plus y, x minus y. Okay, so we are asked to factorize x squared plus 4x minus 12. Okay, so let's proceed. We have x squared. We have to think of two numbers. When we multiply them, we'll get minus 12x squared, and then when we add them up together, the result is going to be x. The result is going to be 4x. So we have 6x, 6x, and minus 2x. So these are the two factors we need. So we can write plus 6x minus 2x minus 12. Now, remember, when you multiply these two together, you're going to get minus 12x squared. When you add them up together, you get 4x. So we pick the first two. The first two, what is common between the first two? You can see x is common, so we have x plus 6. And then what is common between these? You see that minus 2 is common, which is x plus 6 when you factor out what is common. So since we have the same thing in the bracket, we write it out: x plus 6, and then what we have outside the bracket is x minus 2. So this is the answer. Now let's check which of the option is correct. Which of the option is correct? So let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. You see, okay, I think this option A is the correct answer. Here it's meant to be minus, not negative. So we don't have any of them here. So option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. So let's go to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 says express 3a plus 3a over 5 plus 2b over 3 as a single fraction. Single fraction. Okay, the options given are 5a plus 3b all over 8. B, we have 3a plus 2b all over 8. C, we have 9a plus 5b all over 15. D, we have 9a plus 8b all over 15. And E, 9a plus 10b all over 15. Alright, so let's solve that problem. We have 3a over 5 plus 2b over 3. So the first thing to do is to find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of the denominators are 15 or is 15. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 3a, we have 9a plus 15 divided by 3, we have 5. 5 multiplied by 2b, we have 10b. So this is a single fraction, and you can see option E is the correct answer. We move to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 says solve the equation. Solve the equation, and we have a minus 4 all over 5 equal to 2 minus a all over 2. The options are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that is the option. So let's solve that. We have a minus 4 over 5 equal to 2 minus a over 2. So cross multiply. When you cross multiply, the 2 multiplies everything here. So 2 times a, we have 2a. 2 times minus 4, we have minus 8 equal to 5 times 2, we have 10. 5 times minus a, we have minus 5a. Let's clean the other side of the board. So when you collect like term, we have 2a. This to the other side becomes 5a equal to, we have 10. And minus 8 to the other side become plus 8. So this gives us 7a equal to 18. Equal to 18. Okay, so now let's proceed. So divide both sides by 7. So a is equal to 2 whole number 4 over 7. So you can see we don't have this in the option. Okay, so there must be a mistake somewhere, and I think that should be from the question. We are supposed to have 2 from the question, but what we have is a minus 4. So, but we can still pick something close to 2, which is option A. So I think here is meant to be 2 for option A to be correct. So we leave that like that. So we go to the next question. Which is question number 10. It says simplify n minus 1 over 6 plus n plus 1 over 8. So the options given to us, we have A, 7n minus 7 over 24. B, we have 7n plus 7 over 24. C, we have 7n minus 1 over 24. D, we have n minus 7 over 24. And option E, we have n plus 7 over 24. Alright, so let's do that. We have n minus 1 over 6 plus n plus minus 1 over 8. So the LCM of the two, the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. So 24 divided by 6, 24 divided by 6, we have 4. So 4 is going to multiply everything we have in the brackets. Okay, so that will be 4 into n minus 1 plus 24 divided by 8, we have 3. 3 into n plus 1. So when we go further, let's clean the other side of the board. So that will be 4n minus 4 plus 3 times n, we have 3n plus 3 times 1 is 3 all over 24. So when we collect like 10, 4n plus 7 plus 3n, that will give us 7n. And then minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 over 24. So you can see that option C is the correct answer. Okay, so option C is correct. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.